I got the Umarex Colt Peacemaker spare BB capsules, gold 6-pack, .177 caliber shells. Fits your Peacemaker Colt single action pistol, and it'll fit the Legends lever action cowboy rifle. Load the BB here, put it in your loading gate on the rifle, or you can load the magazine in your Colt Peacemaker. Shoots BBs, you get six nice brass shells. Very well constructed, very good bargain for your money. They make a great gift and a beautiful addition to your air gun accessories. Thank you.